very sweet then to just accept a request, a friendly request, and come and do the honors. That showroom has been very lucky and very successful for us. When we started Andheri, I couldn't think of another name, but her, I just requested her, and ma'am again agreed.
Because I also live now 5 minutes away.
आना आप तुम्हारा इतना इजी नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी तुम आती हो हमारे
लिए। इससे मेरे को एक बार लोअर परेल में भी बुलाया था। हाँ, तो एटलीस्ट ये 5 मिनट।
बच्चों का धन्यवाद तो नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन आशीर्वाद जरूर देते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपको ध्यान रखे लिए
अच्छा, थैंक यू।
So 40 years in this business. This is our 15th showroom in Bombay and 40th across India.
Wow.
So we have our big boss also here, and he would like to say a few words, and then Farah ma'am, we would request her to say a few words.
Of course.
Well, आपका काफी समय से इंतजार कर रहे थे हम लोग।
बट मुझे जिस टाइम पे बोला था मैं
तो पहले आएंगे ना।
बट मैं तो एकदम पंक्चुअली आ गई।
हम सब ये देखना चाहते थे कि जो शोज होस्ट कर रही हैं, जहाँ पर यू आर होस्टिंग द शो, आप वहाँ पर एज ए गेस्ट अपीयरेंस चाहते हैं, तो वो जो बंदा स्क्रीन पे दिखते हैं और वो यहाँ पर हमारे सामने जब रूबरू होंगे तो कैसे दिखेंगे?
तो कैसे बेटर होंगे?
आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, बड़े हसीन लग रहे हैं। much better than what you see on the...
चश्मे का नंबर सही है।
बिल्कुल, अभी बिल्कुल नया लिया है टू द मार्क।
उससे भी ज़्यादा आपकी मुस्कान अच्छी है।
Let me say one thing, that she is a very lucky mascot for us.
Okay.
And we have progressed a lot. लेकिन उससे भी पहले मुझे एक चीज़ याद आ रही है। That's a 30 years पुरानी एक कहानी है हमारी, और वो कहानी ये है कि to make wallpaper more aware in the market, awareness, we had launched fashion show in wall coverings.
Oh yeah, I choreographed that. I remember.
आपने तो ऐसे बीच में बता दिया है।
Very sorry, शिवाजी पार्क के हॉल में हमने मॉडल्स के कपड़े भी वॉलपेपर से बनाए थे।
वो
साजिद ने होस्ट किया था।
या साजिद एंड महादेवन, अनंत महादेवन।
Yes.
एंड अनंत महादेवन की एक लाइन थी, when he signed off from that show, he said that अगर आपके और हमारे बीच में अगर कोई दीवार हो तो उस दीवार पे सिर्फ वॉलपेपर होना चाहिए, और वो वॉलपेपर मार्शल्स का होना चाहिए। That was his signing of remark, which I still remember. That was a great statement which we have written on our wall, कि अगर किसी के बीच में कहीं पर भी वॉल हो तो उस पर मार्शल्स वॉलपेपर होना चाहिए। मैम, that was
Please don't call me ma'am.
नाम ही ले लो।
For me, I regard you with respect and regard.
नहीं, पर ये ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं अपने को बनना चाहते। मेरे को चलता है कि बच्चे आप लोग।
And I'm a big fan. The way you host, India has talent. So that's big thing. In fact, in Marshalls, we also have a lot of talent.
Yes.
Okay, and the talents are standing in front of me. They are the people who have created Marshalls. They have taken forward Marshalls' legacy, and they are doing it so well. We are so proud of them. 15 showrooms, 15 in Bombay, 40 all over India is not a small thing. I would only say one thing, that for us, the wealth is not these showrooms, is not this. But through these showrooms, what we serve to so many people around, we have almost 300 employees, direct employment, and we have more than, I think, about 600 people indirect employment. So that's the commitment that we carry with us. Now, before I ask you to take it, I will just say a few words. Why we are doing this? It's just for happiness. औरों की ज़िंदगी में खुशी लाना, और औरों के चेहरे पे मुस्कान लाने, ये हमारा मकसद है। औरों की ज़िंदगी में खुशी लाना और चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट लाना, ये हमारा मकसद है। I'm just talking in front, so some words are getting here and there.
No problem.
वरना सारी दुनिया जीतकर सिकंदर भी खाली हाथ गया था। What what we are trying to do is serve the community, serve this thing, and wallpaper is one of the media for that. So that's what we are trying to do. Money is one part of it. Of course, when we have to pay salaries, money is required. We have to, all these commitments are there. We have to do it. But behind that, the thought is to serve the community. So that's what we are all about. And we hope that with this thought, we'll be able to open many more showrooms so that we go closer to people. आजकल का जो जमाना है ना, वो quick fix जमाना है. Okay, people want everything overnight. I said 30 years back when I used to say we do the wallpaper in 8 hours. They say क्या इतनी कौन सी जल्दी है? पर अभी वो बोलते हैं 8 घंटा नहीं, मेरे को 4 घंटे में करके मिलेगा. So it is a quick fix thing, and Marshalls is fully geared towards that. Wallpapers, 8 hours a room. Okay, we have got quick homes where we are doing in 44 days, 45 days. We are doing 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or 3 bedroom flat completely. So this is a quick fix jamana. We have got furnishing department, which is overnight. We try to do, you need curtain. So it's a speed business that we are doing it, and Marshalls is in tune with time. So that's all what Marshalls is about. So ma'am, thank you very much.
Not at all.
You have taken so much of your valuable time, come to us, given your good wishes, and I think we need your good wishes.
No, my good wishes are always, I mean,
चलो करण भी देना अपना.
huh? Karan also wants to talk?
नहीं.
Two words from you.
Karan, do you want to say
No,
something?
I'm.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's a family gathering.
No.
So thank you so much again, Mona. There are few, I won't say they are just a dukan for me. They are become like part of family and friends. And now that you reminded me that 30 years purana हमारा रिश्ता है, so I have never considered like Marshalls is I directly call Mona and say wallpaper फट गया है या कुछ, and she'll send somebody immediately to repair it or replace it without ever asking me, कि इतना होगा. So it's never been a business transaction, and all my homes have been done by Marshall. In fact, the latest one also. And I think more than anything, it's in our country, wallpaper is associated with Marshall. It's like Thanda matlab Coca-Cola means wallpaper matlab Marshall. So I wish you all the very best always, and I hope when you're opening your 25th store, I will also be coming to visit as well.
Thank you.
No, why don't you open in London or New York?
Okay, that's a great.
Do it outdoors also now, little overseas.
Ma'am,
ये हमारी तरफ से टोकन दीजिएगा.
अरे you don't have to give me anything.
मिठाई.
अच्छा मिठाई दो.
मिठाई भी खाइएगा, और आपको भी अच्छी लगी बताइए कैसी, फिर मैं भिजवाऊंगी. और आपको बहुत पसंद है, क्या आपको पसंद आएगी.
Karan, your book.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Give it to me.
There you go.
Lovely.
This is the first one,
Okay.
and it's about I first of all, no. It does mention wallpaper in the book, but I've been a big fan of your husband on his Twitter account.
Yes.
I think whoever is on Twitter, you should follow Mr. Shirish Kundar's tweets. He writes some wild wordings,
Yes.
and wild in a good
And we
way.
get into wild trouble also.
But the point is, you should follow. It's amazing thing, and the book is actually about age gap romance. A younger man and an older
I'm
woman
much younger than you.
in thought. So this is about that.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Okay, so it's been trending in the top 500 books of Amazon for the last 5 months.
Oh,
So,
wow. Okay.
I think
so over to you, and many more coming.
Very good. Lovely. Okay. Thank you so much, Karan.
Thank you.
Free books and free mithai always welcome.
Ma'am, your humbleness, your
Stop
genuineness
it now,
is
Mona.
so nice. We are really obliged.
No,
and
please don't be
thankful for
obliged. It's
this.
fine. Because I'll साफ करा रहा हूँ wallpaper.